Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Teaunca, and if you like all things lifestyle, beauty, and doing things yourself, you might as well consider subscribing and join the family. We're making another set today, and I'm going to be using btartbox press-on nails. So right now, I am just going in with a base coat. You don't have to file these nails. You don't have to like shape them. They come already pre-shaped, pre-buffed. So there's definitely no shine on there. They are the perfect length if you don't want nothing too long or too short. But I'm just going in with a base coat, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. When it comes to the layers of nail polish on a press-on nail, you definitely want them to be as thin as possible. If you need more layers, then definitely do so. But the thin layers allow it to cure properly, because if it's too thick, only like the top layer of the thickness will cure, and it will be super wet underneath, and it will start to wrinkle. So I'm going in and curing that for 30 seconds as mentioned. And then once it's cured, you just go in with your desired color. I'm using this pretty pink from Rosalind. All of these products can be found on Amazon, and they are not expensive at all. I will link them down below. But going in on 3 of the nails, and at first I wanted to do like an all pink set. I did mention that in my last press on nail video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely link it down below as well. But I decided to make some simple designs, an easy design, a spring/summer design. So stay tuned for that. But I'm going in with a thin layer again of this pink from Rosalind. And we're going to cure in between each layer. Now, when I was doing this set, I had my daughter help me try to find a design. And at first, I was going to do like an extra long set, but I changed my mind. I honestly changed my mind because I knew I wasn't like applying both hands. So I'm only making 5 nails, like one set, not even a whole set, like for enough for one hand. Only because I only got enough for one hand as well. But I'm going to go on Amazon and order some more of these btartbox nails. So for the ring finger and the middle finger, I didn't put that pink on it from Rosalind. These are the 2 nails that I'm going to put the designs on. So I'm using btartbox gel polish. They are these bright neon pretty colors, like super, super pretty. And they are so pigmented. That goes for the Rosalind as well. It's very pigmented. But I'm going to make a simple flower design using this dotting tool. Again, I got this from Amazon. It came in like a set, like a nail art design set. Super cheap. But I'm going to go ahead, make 5 dots in a circle, and then in the middle, of course, it's going to be like some type of stone. Y'all know all my sets gotta have some type of bling on it. So yes, we're going to stud it out. So first I used the neon yellow, and next I'm going to go in with this blue. It's not as neon. I have like 2 different sets. So it's not like a neon blue, but it's still a pretty bright blue. So this little flower is just going to have 4 dots because it's basically like the other dot hanging off the side of the nail that you can't see. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But this design, y'all, I'm telling you, it's super simple. And I didn't think of it until I decided I didn't want to do a long set anymore. So next I'm going in with this pink. It is like a bright neon pink. All of the colors are like a neon color except for the blue. So in the beginning, I showed y'all I was just going to use 4 colors. But I'm like, I got enough room to add in another color. And I'm like, a green will be perfect. So I did add on a neon green or like a lime green. And that's the color that you'll see next. So when you're making the little dots, you don't want them to be too close together. And you don't want them to be like super little. You want it to be big enough where once you put the stone in the middle, it will still look like a flower and won't have too much space in between each little petal, I suppose. And then you also want to try to get them the same size. So with the green, you'll see me go back and forth in each one, just adding more polish to the dotting tool and then adding more to each little circle or petal. Although this design is like really easy, I did mess up a little bit on the blue and right here on the green. Dot right there is not as circular as others, but it's off to the side so you can't really tell. And then with the blue, I'm not sure if y'all can see it from this angle, but one of the dots, they're like joined, well, two of the dots, they're joined together. So you can't really see a space in between them, but it's still fine. It still look like a flower. So the last color I'm going to use is a orange. Well, an orange is super pretty. So just doing the same little 5-dot design all around, making sure that all of the dots are close to the same size and not too close together where they'll start to like conjoin. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and do the other nail off camera. And then I'm going to cure the whole set because I still only did one layer of that pink from Rosalind on the other 3 nails. But that's the other nail. I think that's the ring finger. So as mentioned, we're going to cure that. And then we're going to go in with a second layer of each color on each nail. Now, when it comes to the second coat, as mentioned in the beginning of the video, you still want it to be a thin layer. If you want it darker, then you will go in with a third layer. But like I said, the Rosalind and the btartbox colors are very pigmented, so you don't need like more than 2 coats, in my opinion. For the flowers, I did go in and do a second coat on each dot. I did it off camera because I was indecisive. Like right now, as I'm looking at that color right here without the second coat, it does still look pretty good. It looks very pigmented, but I did go in and do a second coat and cured it. So now it's time for my favorite part. We're going to bling out these nails, and I'm using Macart rhinestone glue. This glue is like the best. I had another glue from the brand Teaunca where I got some full coverage nails from them too. I think they are my favorite full coverage nails, the Teaunca brand. But the rhinestone glue from Teaunca, it doesn't work as well as the Macart. So I just put a little bit on like a little tray that I have and went in each circle with the glue first, and then I'm just using the same dotting tool to pick up the stones and place it right in the middle. So right here, y'all see this blue right here? My dots are too spaced out and they're not as full. So when I put my stone on there, you'll see the spaces. And I didn't feel like going back in and fixing it because, like I said, this set is only made for one hand. See? Y'all see how spaced out it is? But only made enough for one hand, and I'm just going to apply them and just for the video. And I'm not leaving them on because I got to do my hair. But going to put that on, and then we're going to cure it, top coat it, and then we are pretty much done. Y'all going to see me apply them. And I'm going to show y'all how I save my press-on nails as well. So here I'm just using the modelones no wipe top coat. I love this top coat. It literally have your nails shining. I told y'all in my last video, my sister thought I had on acrylics, but I told her, no baby, these are press-ons. She like, they so sturdy, they so hard, they so shiny. And I'm like, it's all in the technique. It's all in the technique, and it's all in the full coverage nail that you use as well. But btartbox never steered me wrong. They are the perfect size for my fingers. Like I said, I'll link everything down below for y'all if y'all are interested. But everything that I'm using, except for one thing, but everything else that I'm using can be found on Amazon. But that's the set. She's so pretty, so shiny. And I didn't file the little tabs off on the top because, as mentioned, I'm not keeping these on long. But these little bags right here is the only thing that I didn't get from Amazon. I got them from Shein. And this is how I store my press-on nails so I could use them again. So I just took these off like right before the video. The way I take it off is I'll get some hot water, put some Dawn dish detergent in it, and some cuticle oil. And I soak them, and they literally just pop off within like 5 to 7 minutes. So if I wasn't applying this set on camera, I would take it off, put it in a little baggie, wait until I get some more btartbox press-ons to make the other hand. Like I said, I didn't have enough to make the whole set. But yeah, I am going to eventually make this other set, well, the other hand, because they are so cute. So once I apply them, I am going to take them right back off, and I'm going to store it right in this little bag, just like the other sets that I have. And, you know, whenever I'm ready to use it, just pull my little baggie out and reapply them. But like I said, I did get the little baggies from Shein. I will try to find a link. If not, I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm sure they can be found on Amazon. But I'm going to put them on. I'm using Kiss Nail Glue. Now, Kiss Nail Glue, it is pretty strong, but y'all know I use KDS. KDS Nail Glue is my favorite nail glue. But for video purposes, again, I'm just going to use the Kiss, so it won't be as hard to take it off, so I won't have to soak my hands in the water for too long. This will probably be like a 2, 3, 4 minute soak, and they'll pop right off. But my nails, they weren't filed, they weren't prepped or anything. I just put them on just to show y'all how they look. But that's how they looking, y'all. So cute, right? Let me know how y'all like them. Let me know if y'all going to try making your own nails. So from here, I'm just going to go in with this cuticle oil pen that I got from the Dollar Tree. I did get another one from Shein that is better than this one, but I can't find it, of course. But anyway, y'all, that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know how I did in the comments below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.